Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make payroll in QuickBooks. First, ensure your QuickBooks account is properly configured for payroll. This involves setting up your company's tax information, including your employer identification number, or EIN, and state tax ID. Next, we'll walk through adding your employees, entering their personal details, and setting their pay rates. Getting these initial steps right is crucial for smooth payroll processing. Once your company details are in place, focus on each employee's profile. You'll need their W-4 information to accurately calculate federal and state withholdings. Be sure to enter their pay frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and their hourly rate or salary. Also, decide if they'll receive direct deposit or a physical check, and input their bank details if applicable. Now for the exciting part, running payroll. Navigate to the Payroll section in QuickBooks and select Run Payroll. You'll see a list of your employees. Carefully review their hours, any commissions, or bonuses for the pay period. QuickBooks will automatically calculate gross pay, deductions, and net pay. After a thorough check, simply approve the payroll, and QuickBooks will handle the rest, whether it's direct deposits or generating paychecks. After processing, always generate and review your payroll reports. These reports help you verify accuracy and keep track of your expenses. QuickBooks also assists with tax filings, reminding you when payments are due and helping you prepare the necessary forms, like Form 941. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed throughout your workday. This ensures you're always compliant and organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.